What is up, everyone? Welcome back to your daily stimulus check news. The topic of today's video is your fourth stimulus check update. Today is May 8th. Let's get right to the very first article. Monthly $2,000 fourth stimulus checks are backed up by 58 lawmakers. If you don't know, that is the majority. 58 out of the 100 lawmakers are actually backing and supporting a monthly $2,000 stimulus checks, which is very, very good. As we see right here, there's a big question mark regarding whether Americans will see reoccurring monthly fourth stimulus checks, but Democratic lawmakers, including Vice President Harris, have gotten on board with the measure. Again, including Vice President Kamala Harris, have actually got on board to support reoccurring $2,000 monthly stimulus checks. Democratic members of Senate and the House and Senate, to Joe Biden and the Biden administration, urging reoccurring monthly $2,000 stimulus checks. This letters differ on their specifics, but both argue on a one-time payment is not enough for people struggling during the pandemic, and knowing additional payments are coming. One more time, knowing additional payments are coming. Then we have this article right here. The IRS sent out 8th batch of new stimulus checks, fourth stimulus checks. Here's who get it. If you weren't aware, if you didn't watch my last video, more stimulus checks up to $1,400 are on the way. Basically, some people will get it, some people will not. Everything I said actually did end up coming true. And as we see right here, Biden's next two stimulus bills, 5 ways his new package could actually send you more money. Basically, I said this over 2 weeks ago. Comment below if you remember me saying this, but I said allegedly at that time, because there were no sources or articles talking about it, that Joe Biden would actually send out allegedly 2 stimulus bills, 2 stimulus packages, and bam, look right here. President Biden has outlined plans to get more money to American people through the pandemic in 2021, which is this year. Right here, March's massive American Rescue Plan is not yet 2 months old. President Joe Biden, however, is looking ahead to the next 2 stimulus packages from his administration that'll focus on creating jobs, reducing poverty. Who said this, guys? I don't want to pat myself on the back, but please, if you're watching right now, comment below saying, I remember you saying this. I said this over 2 weeks ago. And please do me a favor, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, comment below, guys. Just comment an emoji, but you must hit that like and subscribe button. Every single day I post daily videos and daily giveaways. Hit that like, hit that subscribe, comment emoji, and in tomorrow's video I'll be picking the winner. And also, if you do end up winning, give me time, guys. I'm literally in college. It's finals week. You will get your money. Just please continue to support me. Hit that like, hit that subscribe, enter the giveaway, comment emoji. And as we see right here, one more check is not enough during the pandemic, health, and the economic crisis. Basically, the letter said, to truly build back better, families need stability and certainty through these ongoing relief. Again, ongoing relief, aka reoccurring monthly stimulus checks. And as we see right here, their letters urged payments to continue until the economy recovers or until the end of the year. Please comment below if you actually support reoccurring monthly $2,000 stimulus checks. It's looking like it's a possibility, but it's not 100% confirmed. And then we have this article right here. Basically, the current American Build Back Better Rescue Plan is good and actually is confirmed, but Biden is actually talking about his next 2 stimulus packages right here. However, Biden is looking ahead to his next 2 stimulus packages. Again, very, very good news, and I did talk about this over 2 weeks ago. And like I said, the IRS did send out some money. Some people are eligible, some people are not. More stimulus checks have been sent out. I'm not a tax expert. I'm not, licensed to give tax information or tax help. But what I can do is refer you to go to the IRS website. So call them, email them, send them something in the physical mail. I want to let you know, daily videos, daily giveaways. Hit that like, hit that subscribe, comment emoji. That's it for today, guys. Have a great day. Peace.